Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of immigration to Ontario, Canada. If you're considering making the move, you're in the right place. We've got all the details on the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, OINP, the popular landing destination for newcomers to Canada. Did you know that Ontario is not only Canada's most populous province, but also the preferred choice for nearly 40% of Canadians? Stick around to discover why people are choosing Ontario, the types of programs available, and how you can make your dream of living in Canada a reality. Before we delve into that, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest updates. Now, let's get started. The Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, OINP, is the province's way of selecting immigrants with specific skills and experience. This program allows them to apply for Canadian permanent residence through Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. The OINP, launched in 2007, aims to address skill shortages, encourage investment, and help newcomers settle well in the province. Initially, it could nominate 1,000 newcomers annually, but now, Ontario nominates around 8,000 people each year. There are two types of streams, base and enhanced. Enhanced streams are linked with the Express Entry System, a federal program managing permanent residence applications. Those nominated through enhanced streams receive additional points and are guaranteed an invitation to apply, ITA, for permanent residence. The human capital category, divided into substreams, includes the Ontario Express Entry substream, which is enhanced. Programs under this substream include human capital priorities, skilled trades, and French-speaking skilled workers. French-speaking skilled worker applicants must be proficient in both French and English. If nominated through Ontario Express Entry, candidates receive an extra 600 points. The minimum requirements include having enough money, intending to live in Ontario, and meeting additional stream-specific criteria. The Master's and PhD category is not aligned with Express Entry. The Master's graduate stream and PhD graduate stream use Ontario's Expression of Interest (EOI) system. The application fee is $1,500 Canadian dollars, with a processing time of 30 to 60 days. The employer job offer category has three streams: foreign worker, international student, and in-demand skills. Each stream has specific requirements, an application fee, and processing time. Candidates need a job offer, work experience, and the intention to live in Ontario. The Ontario Regional Immigration Pilot operates under the employer job offer category, aiming to attract immigrants to rural communities facing labor shortages. To be eligible, candidates need a job offer from a pilot community and must meet the criteria for an employer job offer stream. The business category, specifically the entrepreneur stream, is for those wanting to start or buy a business in Ontario. Applicants must meet various financial, business, and job creation requirements. To apply for these categories, candidates must register an Expression of Interest (EOI), participate in draws, and submit applications through the OINP portal. The process varies for each category, and candidates are ranked against each other. That wraps up our conversation about the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for additional immigration insights, and share in the comments which category interests you the most. Thank you for being with us today. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and best of luck on your journey to Ontario.